How do you dispose of a bamboo toothbrush? Well, these bristles are plastic, so they can't be composted. Take pliers and remove all the bristles. Look how many there are. These go into the trash, and the handle can either be used for cute things like plant laborers or go in the compost.
Disposing of your bamboo toothbrush. Grab a large knife, cut just underneath the head, snap it off. Here you go. Oh, what a shame. Pop that in the bin. You can write on the end, stick it in the garden. Here's my leaks.
Great question. Each bamboo toothbrush brand will most likely have a how to dispose section on their website, but each one is different. Some bristles are made from bioplastics and other are made from nylon, so it is important to check. But either way, you'll want to use tweezers or pliers to pull out the bristles. I found this oddly satisfying. Then I keep all my bristles in this plastic bag that I accidentally received from an online Etsy order. Bamboo's amazing, so you can either throw it in your compost pile or use it as the durable piece of wood that it is. Boom.
How to dispose of your bamboo toothbrush responsibly. These bristles are usually plastic and need to be removed. Tweezers, pliers. This took brute force, but there's seriously thousands. So make sure those go in the trash and the bamboo brush goes in compost.